Hello, welcome to This Old Geek. I'm Mike Esker, and in this video I am going to show you how I made the costume for my Joey the Clown puppet, which is part of the Punch and Judy show. For the costume I am using a polyester fleece, and I just laid a pattern down and get it traced out and get it cut out. Now I make all these puppets to fit my own hand. I don't make these to fit a child. Eventually I will start making some of those. So there's the pattern. Now I'm adding a 1/4 inch seam here. I'm just going to sew along that. And we'll get her all cut out. As you probably noticed at the beginning, I had it all doubled up. So I have both sides cut at the same time. Then I get them all pinned together. And once I do that, I start sewing. Now here is for the trim. I made a pattern and now I'm just tracing it out onto some felt. It's going to be a trim around the neck and around the wrist or the hands, the sleeves of the costume. Just trace out the pattern and then get them all cut out. I take the trim after I get it all cut out, and then I pin it all the way around the neck hole. I'll be cutting off that excess after I sew it. And I do the same thing with the sleeves as well. As usual, I sew everything by hand. All my puppets are entirely handmade. Once I get the trim all sewn into place, then it's time to turn everything right side out, like so. And then I just pull the trim out and flip it over so it's on the outside there. And that's how I do that. And I do the same thing with the sleeves as well. I sand around the neck, rough it up a little bit because I'm going to glue the head to the body. I want to make sure it holds on there very well. I do the same for the hands also, sanding the wrist. And I glue all the way around the neck. I use a generous amount, trying not to get too much. I don't want it real runny. Then I also glue inside the neck there. I always make the neck holes a little oversized, so I just glue them together like so. I'm just clamping that down to hold it till it dries. And I do the same thing to the hands. Get a generous amount of glue and just glue it inside. I clamp them down as well. Once that is all dry, then I just glue on these pom-poms. Just 3 of them. Stagger the colors. And there I have my puppet body. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Bye-bye!